Choosing the right material for double-hung windows is one of the most important decisions Sterling Heights homeowners can make. With Michigan's cold winters, humid summers, and unpredictable weather swings, your windows must do more than look good. They need to insulate, protect, and perform reliably year after year. The right material can improve energy efficiency, reduce maintenance, and increase your home's value. Here's a closer look at the best materials for double-hung windows in Sterling Heights homes and how to decide which option fits your needs. Vinyl. Affordable, efficient, and low-maintenance vinyl remains one of the most popular choices for double-hung windows, and for good reason. It offers excellent insulation, which is essential during Sterling Heights' freezing winter months. Quality vinyl windows are designed with multi-chambered frames that help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Homeowners also appreciate that vinyl requires very little upkeep. Unlike wood, it won't rot, peel, or require repainting. It resists moisture and stands up well to snow and humidity, making it ideal for Michigan's climate. Vinyl double-hung windows are also budget-friendly. If you want reliable performance without stretching your renovation budget, vinyl is a smart and practical choice. Wood. Timeless beauty with strong insulation for homeowners who love classic charm, wood double-hung windows offer unmatched beauty. They complement traditional homes throughout Sterling Heights and can enhance curb appeal significantly. Wood provides excellent natural insulation, helping to maintain indoor comfort throughout the year. However, wood windows do require more maintenance. They need periodic sealing or painting to protect against moisture and temperature changes. Without proper care, wood can expand, contract, or deteriorate over time. That said, many homeowners are willing to invest in the upkeep because of wood's warmth and aesthetic appeal. If you value authenticity and architectural character, wood may be the perfect fit. Fiberglass. Strength and long-term performance. Fiberglass is gaining popularity among Sterling Heights homeowners who want durability and efficiency. It is incredibly strong and resists warping, swelling, and cracking, even during extreme temperature shifts. One of fiberglass's biggest advantages is its stability. Michigan weather can swing from below freezing temperatures to hot summer days, and fiberglass handles these changes without expanding or contracting significantly. This helps maintain tight seals and strong energy performance over time. Fiberglass double-hung windows are also low maintenance and can be painted if you want a custom color. While the upfront cost may be higher than vinyl, the long lifespan and minimal upkeep often make fiberglass a worthwhile investment. Aluminum. Sleek and modern aluminum double-hung windows are known for their slim frames and modern look. They allow for larger glass areas and clean sightlines, which some homeowners prefer for contemporary designs. However, aluminum is not as energy efficient as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass unless it includes a thermal break feature. In Sterling Heights' cold climate, this is an important consideration. Aluminum is durable and resistant to rust, but it may not provide the same level of insulation without additional enhancements. If design is your top priority and you choose a high-quality thermally improved aluminum window, it can still perform well in Michigan conditions. Composite. A balanced solution. Composite windows combine materials such as wood fibers and polymers to create a strong, insulated frame. They are designed to mimic the appearance of wood while offering the low-maintenance benefits of vinyl or fiberglass. For Sterling Heights homeowners seeking a balance between beauty, durability, and efficiency, composite double-hung windows can be an excellent option. They resist moisture, require minimal upkeep, and perform well against Michigan's seasonal changes. Choosing what's right for your home. When selecting materials for double-hung windows in Sterling Heights homes, consider three key factors: energy efficiency, maintenance requirements, and overall appearance. Think about how much upkeep you're willing to handle, your budget, and the architectural style of your home. No matter which material you choose, investing in high-quality double-hung windows will improve comfort, reduce energy bills, and enhance curb appeal. With the right material, your Sterling Heights home will stay protected and beautiful for years to come.